1,000 questions. Is the money secure? When Chinese companies outsource their accounting department, normally they only outsource the bookkeeping and taxation. But for foreign companies, they used to outsource the full package from the petty cash, bank function, payroll, taxation, bookkeeping. Would the petty cash and the bank function are secure with the third party? Would the shareholders be concerning about their money? The cash payments are quite rare under the current payment system. The company transactions are mostly through the online banking. All online banking will use tokens to access the system, and the tokens look like this. We call it token, fobs, or USB key. The bank will design the payment structure to make sure the money is secure and the internal control works. The first level for the payment structure would be the applicant. The token will be held by the accounting firm. We will upload the payment and then pass to the next level for the authorization. And for the second level, there are different options. The option 1, there is just one token for authorization, and this one token can authorize all payments passed from the level 1. But when the person who's holding the token on leave or on the holiday, then all the payments have to postponed, so that is not very convenient. And then the option 2, there will be 2 tokens. There are different combinations using 2 tokens. 1. Either of them can do the same job, no matter A first or B first. They have the equal right. B. A plus B or B plus A, you have to use both of tokens to do the authorization, and no matter which one is first. And 3. A can only approve after B, or B can only approve after A. That depends how bank design the payment structure. 4. There is upper limit. A can only approve when amount under that limit, and when amount more than that limit, it can only approved by B. There is another option with 3 tokens. The combination with 3 tokens wouldn't use all of them to make approval. That will make things very complicated. So the combination would be A plus C or B plus A or C plus B. So under the structure like that, the bank will secure the fund. If you have planned to register your subsidiary in China, there is email address and my phone number after this video. Contact me if you want to know more details.